Thinking about parting ways with Legalzoom's registered agent service? Let's walk through exactly how to cancel it, so you can ensure your business stays compliant. First, log into your Legalzoom account. Navigate to your dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your services. Now, find the section related to your registered agent service. It might be listed under My Services or Business Services. Click on Manage or View Details next to the registered agent service. This will take you to a page with more information about your service and options to manage it. Look for a button or link that says something like Cancel Service, Terminate Service, or Request Cancellation. The exact wording can vary, but it'll be pretty clear. Click on that. You'll likely be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Select the reason that best applies to you. Legalzoom might also try to offer you an alternative solution at this stage, so be prepared to decline if you're set on canceling. After you've provided your reason, you'll need to confirm your cancellation request. Make sure to carefully read any on-screen instructions. You may need to officially appoint a new registered agent with your state. And that's it. Remember to check your email for a cancellation confirmation from Legalzoom. Also, ensure you've taken steps to either designate yourself as your registered agent or appoint a new one to stay legally compliant.